Want that ECN trading experience? We're talking lightning-fast order fills, super tight spreads, potentially lower fees, and absolutely no dealing desk interference. Sounds ideal, right? But here's the million-dollar question for those of us in the USA. Which brokers actually deliver a true ECN or ECN-like environment? And how can you tell? Stick around, because we're about to clear the air. Before we jump in, let's quickly level set on what ECN, Electronic Communication Network, really means. In simple terms, an ECN broker provides you with direct access to a network of liquidity providers, banks, institutions, and other traders. Your orders go straight into this pool, theoretically leading to better prices and faster execution because there's no middleman or dealing desk trading against you. Now, why is finding a reputable US-regulated ECN broker so critical? Well, that's where trust and security come into play, and it's a big theme for today. This is a big one, folks. You might see flashy ECN offers from offshore brokers promising the moon. But here's the stark reality. ECN trading within the United States, through a broker regulated by the CFTC and NFA, offers layers of security you simply won't find offshore. We're talking about mandatory segregation of client funds, meaning your money is kept separate from the broker's operational cash. There are strict capital requirements for brokers and clear dispute resolution channels. If something goes wrong with an offshore entity, good luck getting your money back or having any real recourse. Choosing a US-based, regulated broker for your ECN trading isn't just preferable, it's a fundamental safety measure. Don't compromise on this. So, with that in mind, today we're putting 3 major players under the microscope that offer ECN-style or direct market access trading environments here in the US. We'll be looking at Interactive Brokers, IG, and Forex.com. Each has its own approach, commission structure, and platform, so let's break them down. First up, Interactive Brokers, or IBKR. These guys are renowned in the trading world, particularly among active and professional traders, for their direct market access. Their ECN environment, IBKR provides what they call direct market access to interbank quotes. They don't act as a dealer. Instead, they route your orders to a deep pool of liquidity providers. This is about as close to a true ECN experience as you can get. Commissions and pricing. IBKR is known for its very competitive, transparent commission structure. For Forex, it's typically a small commission per trade on top of the raw interbank spread. This can be extremely cost-effective for active traders, as spreads can be incredibly tight. Execution speed. They invest heavily in technology, and their execution is generally considered to be very fast and reliable, designed to minimize slippage. Platform. Their flagship platform is Trader Workstation, or TWS. It's incredibly powerful and offers a vast array of tools, but fair warning, it has a steep learning curve, especially for beginners. It's built for serious traders who need deep functionality. The upshot for ECN seekers. If you're serious about ECN, are an active trader, don't mind a complex platform, and prioritize very low trading costs with direct market access, IBKR is a top-tier choice in the US. The transparency is a huge plus. Next, let's look at IG. IG is another global giant with a strong presence in the US, also regulated by the CFTC and NFA. Their ECN-like environment. While IG might not always label their primary US offering explicitly as ECN for all account types, they provide direct market access, DMA capabilities, especially through their more advanced platforms or account options if available. They emphasize sourcing liquidity from a diverse range of providers to offer competitive pricing and efficient execution, which aligns with ECN principles. Commissions and spreads. For DMA-style execution, you'll typically see raw spreads sourced from their liquidity providers, plus a commission. Their standard accounts will have the cost built into the spread. It's crucial to check the specific account type you're considering in the US. Execution speed. IG prides itself on fast, reliable execution, leveraging its technology and broad liquidity relationships. They aim to fill orders at the requested price or better. Platform. IG offers its own award-winning proprietary web platform, which is known for being user-friendly yet powerful. For more advanced DMA, they have historically offered platforms like L2 Dealer in other regions. You'd need to verify its current availability and features for US Forex clients. MT4 is also often available. The upshot for ECN seekers. IG can be a great option if you're looking for a reputable broker with potentially ECN-like execution. especially if you value a choice of user-friendly platforms alongside more advanced options. Always clarify with them the specifics of their execution model for US clients when you inquire. Last but not least, Forex.com. They are one of the original and largest Forex brokers in the US, and yes, also fully regulated. Their ECN DMA offering. Forex.com has historically offered DMA accounts for higher volume or more sophisticated traders in the US. These accounts typically provide access to tighter spreads sourced directly from liquidity providers, with a commission charged per trade. This gives you an execution experience that closely mirrors an ECN environment. Commissions. For their DMA or equivalent ECN-style accounts, expect a commission-based structure on top of the raw spreads. Their standard accounts, like most brokers, will have costs embedded in the spread. You'll want to look into their Pro or DMA account tiers if available. Execution speed. Forex.com emphasizes reliable execution and has invested in technology to ensure orders are filled quickly and efficiently, tapping into their diverse liquidity sources. Platform. They offer their own robust advanced trading platform, which is well regarded. They also provide widespread support for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, and their ECN or DMA execution would typically be accessible through these platforms when using the appropriate account type. The upshot for ECN seekers. Forex.com can be a solid choice if you're looking for a well-established US broker that offers a pathway to ECN-like trading, particularly if you're comfortable with their platforms or want to use MetaTrader with a DMA execution style. Again, inquire about their specific account types that offer this. So, what's the bottom line? Interactive Brokers stands out for its direct market access and ultra-low commissions, ideal for active, cost-sensitive traders who can handle a complex platform. IG offers a blend of strong execution and platform choice, appealing to a broader range of traders seeking ECN-like conditions. And Forex.com provides a reliable path to DMA within a well-established framework, especially for those comfortable with their platforms or MT4/5. Ultimately, the best ECN broker for you in the US depends on your trading volume, your sensitivity to commissions versus spreads, platform preference, and the level of complexity you're comfortable with. But the key is, all three operate under the stringent US regulatory umbrella, which is paramount. Now it's your turn. Have you traded with an ECN or DMA account at Interactive Brokers, IG, or Forex.com here in the US? What was your experience like with their commissions, platforms, or execution speed? I'd love to hear your insights. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you found this deep dive helpful, please give this video a like. It really helps the channel, and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future analyses and trading guides. And, of course, I'll put any relevant links and resources for these brokers in the description below for you to do your own further research. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next video.